The money in your bank account isn't really yours. It mostly doesn't exist. Most people assume it's safely waiting in a vault, but in reality banks create it out of thin air the moment they lend it. This is not a metaphor or a conspiracy theory. It is the technical design of the global financial system you live in. If every depositor tried to withdraw their cash tomorrow morning, the entire system would collapse by the afternoon. This is because banks don't have the cash. Sometimes they have none at all. Modern money is just a digital promise. It all started in medieval Europe with goldsmiths. They realized that people rarely came back for their physical gold. So they began writing receipts for gold they didn't have and lending them at interest. They created money from nothing. Today, this is called fractional reserve banking, but with a terrifying twist. Since March 2020, the reserve requirement in the US is 0. Banks literally need nothing in the vault to create the digits you see in your account. When you take a loan, the bank doesn't give you someone else's money. They type a number on a keyboard, and that money is born the moment you sign for it. This design makes inflation inevitable and keeps you in an eternal debt loop. There's always more debt in the world than there is actual money, because banks create the principal, but never the interest. Your bank account is technically empty. Your balance is just a measure of how much the system owes you back. Real wealth isn't digits on a screen, it's land, energy, and knowledge. Understand the code of the system, or remain a servant to it. This is just the surface, the rest is in the video. Subscribe for more.